Good morning, vlog. Today is Sunday, and we're going on the yacht. So today is like a family day on the yacht. It's not going to be friends. Our whole family is going, so you guys will get to see them, and yep. Hey guys, so we're on the yacht right now. Maria doesn't want to be on the vlog, so she said she doesn't want to be on the vlog because she's ugly. So yeah, they told me that somebody used to live on that island right there, and he died recently. And the Spanish used to do sacrifices right there. And then right there, what's it called?
Cancuncito.
Oh.
Got that wrong. ¿Qué se ve qué?
I'm so cute. And then there's where we're going. I know, I'm gonna take a picture.
¿Qué le dicen que me digo?
¿Qué le dicen que me dijo?
Irse agarrando de la cuerda para
entendió.
¿Por qué?
Ya estoy yo. Ay, pues yo no le da miedo nada ni María, pero no, María, tú no, mi amor. No. Ahí quédate, María, por favor.
Qué padre.
No me escuchan. ¿Hay algo de tomar? We just got off the yacht, and that owl looks real. We just got off the yacht, and they're unloading everything. Marie's really burnt.
Yeah.
I'm not. But, oh, it's warm too. Feels good. Now we're like in a pool. Yeah, now we're at, you hear Maria? Vlogging. We're at the pool now. Like this little hotel pool. So, while they load up the cars, we'll probably be here. Guys, look. Here at this restaurant, they wash your car while you eat. How cool is that? Good night, vlog. We had a good day on the yacht. My favorite word. We had a good day on the yacht today. It was really hot. Didn't get sunburned. It was really fun. So, we had a pretty good day. And tomorrow we will be going to Maria's football practice.
No, it's not football.
Tomorrow we're going to Maria's soccer practice. What do you want me to call it?
It's not soccer.
Okay, what do you want me to call it?
It's like a gym.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I really forgot.
It's like,
We're going to Maria's workouts tomorrow.
yeah.
So, excuse me for saying football and soccer, it's workouts. So we're going to do that tomorrow, and I don't know what else. So see you in tomorrow's Mexico vlog. Say goodnight.
Good night.
Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. It's almost 9 o'clock. We're getting ready to head to breakfast. So I had to hurry up and get dressed. And yep, you can see me in the mirror. Chicle. Maria says she looks ugly, but she looks fine. Okay, well I have pimples too, so.
But you have one.
No, I don't. I have 3.
I don't see them.
Look, count it. 1, 2, 3. And they hurt.
I think I asked for carrot, right?
Gracias.
Wow.
Hey guys,
Hey guys.
we just finished breakfast, and now we're going to the pyramid.
Sempoala. No.
What's it
Yeah,
called?
Sempoala.
Sempla. Wait, hold on.
It's like
Sempala?
pyramids.
Sempala.
But I have, look at my son.
Yeah, she got really burned. I've been trying to put some aloe vera on her, but
You did it.
Maria's so rebellious. Or she wants me to do it myself, even though it's her sunburn, so
Yeah.
gotta figure that out. And so now
It's
we're
on
just,
my back, so.
we're just walking. It's on your back. We didn't come down this far before. Go through there. Ugh. It's kind of hot out here, but it's not that hot. Here in Mexico, they wash the car as you eat. How cool is that? And apparently that's like really normal.
normal.
It's normal here.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go back to Maryland and wash people's cars for some money as they eat.
Hola. ¿Ya? Gracias. Se ve muy bien.
No, dame. Ah! Yes. Have to climb the tree before you leave.
You update.
Hmm?
Is it done? Is it on?
Yes, it's on. Look at the pyramids.
Came to this area in Mexico in 1519. They found this place. They came with Cortez, Hernan Cortez. And at the time it was completely a big city, fully occupied, well, thriving commerce and everything. And they pretty much walked from here to Mexico City, where they conquered Mexico, where they met Montezuma. And it all really started here. And there was a book written by one of the soldiers who made the trip with Cortez. His name was Bernal Diaz de Castillo, and in his book, which he wrote when he was a very old man, he talks about this place and what they found here, and the human sacrifices and these.
Oh, so they found all that stuff.
Yeah, these are, you know, temples to their gods, and some of them were covered with blood on the top, and
Wow.
and the chief was a guy. The word for chief in their language, cacique, and they talk about this one cacique who was really fat. They called him the fat cacique. And imagine him climbing up these steps. But all these things
Wow.
are original from that time.
Hey guys, so I'm back at the hotel. Today we did sightseeing for the whole day. So that was all we really did. I didn't really want to vlog some of it. Just want to be in the moment and enjoy it. So we did sightseeing today. And now I'm back at the hotel and Maria's going to her workout. So if I do anything else today, I'll vlog that. But I'm tired, so I'm gonna take a nap. Hey vlog. We're walking on the beach.
Yeah.
And I'm getting up here now.
Pink.
And we have coconuts over there. And here is Maria. I came in that.
I'm so tired.
She's so tired. She at work.
Delicious.
So we're back from our walk. Got to see a lot of the beach, and we had that delicious drink. So it was really good. Probably gonna stay up for a little bit longer. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.